Hi, my name is Chris, and you're watching Trebon Designs Bobby Rhodes. I recently did a fall decor window display for a local shop here in my city, and I think it came out absolutely beautiful. It was a little unique. The customer wanted a, touch of pink and blush, and that's not typically something you see in fall decor, but I thought this would be a great challenge. So just take a look at how I designed this piece. So I used what's called fantasy pumpkins, which has a touch of ivory and blush pink. And then I added that really traditional pop of orange with those pumpkins, as well as some ivory and beige colored artificial pumpkins. I think what gives it a little unique flair is going to be these silver urns that I've recently purchased that I think are absolutely gorgeous. You may have remembered those from a previous video. This display does consist of silk florals with peonies, hanging amaranthus, ranunculus, and blush. I think this really came out beautiful, and there are some fresh agonis laying across the smaller hay bales. I think this was a really fun project, and as you also can see, there are some cherry blossom branches as well as curly willow. This was fun to create. So once again, I appreciate you guys for always watching my videos. Just enjoy the rest of it, and I will see you next time. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.